What is going on, gang? All in day 56, something like that. Let's go over to what we did today. So we're clearly bullish, sitting above all-time highs. I was wanting to see a short, wanting to see price come down first, especially whether that was either we trade down to those lows or we wait for those lows to get hit and move higher. So I was targeting this 1 hour gap here, targeting this 1 hour gap. We also had, so on both indexes we had this hourly gap before market opened, and market opened here. So when market opened, we had already broken structure, inverse gap, and broke structure here. And so all I really wanted to see was a 1 minute manipulation with inside a confluence, 5 minute fair value gap, 15 minute equilibrium gap, whatever. Some type of 15 minute retracement. So I saw an ES was retracing heavily into the 5 minute here, and hold up, I'm tripping. Yeah, way tripping. Let me just go ahead and do this. Okay, what the fuck is this, bro? Alright. ES was retracing to this 5 minute, respecting it. And we were in this 15 minute gap here, bullish 15 minute gap. So I was being wary of that. If we wanted to move higher, we were going to sweep out this 5 minute low. We did. So when I had entered the trade, I entered on NASDAQ due to NASDAQ being lower, as I thought. And so we came up, right? Came up, we swept these 1 minute highs up here, came down, broke structure, so I entered here and stopped above here. TP was down here at this unmitigated one hour. So when ES took these lows, these 5 minute lows right here, I went break even because that was a sign of a SMT, especially when NASDAQ was not trying to reach those lows. So as soon as those lows hit, I went break even, got stopped out. And right here, I saw this SMT play out. I saw the 15 minute fair value gap. We're in a bullish trend, so I thought to myself, this is probably higher probability than the trade I'm taking. I wanted to be in flow with the market, and I did so today. So when I saw the SMT, I was like, hold up, wait, this could be great longs. This might just be where price is trying to reverse off of instead of coming down to this 1 hour gap. But to stay in this 15 minutes, so we're already in this 15 minute, we're already sweeping 5 minute lows on both indexes respecting the 15 minute. And once I saw, I think I entered, hold on, let's see, I can literally just pull this up. So yeah, I entered, you see I took the short here, broke even here, and when I saw the break of structure, or not break of structure, but the inverse fair value gap here, this candle inversed it, entered on the next candle, and TP up here at previous high, stop loss down here. Now, wicked stop loss for sure, so because of that, I did go break even pretty early. I went break even once NASDAQ touched up into this gap here. So once NASDAQ touched up into this gap at this candle, went break even, monstrous wick came down, took me out, and that was it. I was like, you know what, I took 2 trades when I should have only taken 1, but I saw how the market was reacting and I adjusted to it. And I will give myself props for that today, that I did adjust to the market's conditions and what the market wanted to do. The only thing I think that could have been better was probably letting some space between this trade, because it clearly played out. Letting some space, you know, and really, like, because I was bearish at first, that's why I wanted to see. I wanted to, when these 5 minute, when this 5 minute gap got touched and it filled orders. It was a good point in price where I thought price would reverse and invalidate my trade. So I think despite me letting space, it was also good risk management for the short and the long. Good reaction to the market, despite if I got break even both times. I think I did well execution wise. When it came down to the idea of money, I was thinking, that's why I did take 2 trades, causing me to overtrade, which I shouldn't have. And the idea of making money was really pushing my buttons. I wanted to make money today because I had that feeling of this week I hadn't made shit, and as you can see, I didn't make shit this week, and it was really like getting to my head. So once it got to my head, I started taking trades too quickly, and that's not a good habit to develop. Sure, I adapted to the market. Sure, I read the market correctly, but what if it was a situation where I was wrong and I didn't get break even? So developing these bad habits is not the idea I'm going for, the idea I'm shooting for. So something I could work on for sure. Was the idea of thinking about money and making money today was definitely a factor of me taking 2 trades. But despite that, we have risk management in our place to protect us from silly little bad habits that we do to ourselves. So God bless risk management. That's all I can say. But despite that, I cracked my phone today. This shit is cooked. We got a freaking purple line in the middle. Down 600 for that. So, you know what? Despite all that, I'm about to go to work. About to make some money. And we gonna get to it on the day. I don't even care. Feeling good. I don't give a shit. Break even twice. Broke my phone. Whatever. Let's get on with the day. So, guys, I'll leave y'all early with this one. It's been good. It's been real. Risk management. We like this. We like this with risk management, bro. Alright, so I'll see you. Peace.